इस वक्त आपको बराह रास्त दिखा रहे हैं जस्टिस के आगा ने वफाकी आईनी अदालत के जज का हलफ उठा लिया है।
That I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct and my official decisions.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions.
That I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
Protect and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
And that
in all circumstances,
I will do right to all manner of people.
I will do right to all manner of people
according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
जस्टिस के आगा ने वफाकी अदालत के जज का हल्फ उठा लिया।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।